What's going on, guys? Here I have a Buick Lacrosse with a 2.4 liter engine. I have code P0010 and P0011. The vehicle has a check engine light and sometimes it turns off at the lights, and these are usually the culprits that you need to look into. This is your intake and your exhaust Vvt variable valve timing solenoids that you may have to replace. Here I have the intake one. This is what it looks like. Replacing this will 99% of the time get rid of that light. See, usually dirt and things clog up these filters right here, and then your variable timing sensor cannot get an accurate reading, and it's gonna go ahead and cause your car to stall out, causing you to not have a good time. So in order for you to remove these, you come over here, you lift this thing up, push on the tab and lift the sensor out. If you notice down there, there is a bolt holding it down. It's just one bolt and it's a 10mm. Here I am using my trusty tool. Remove that 10mm. Alright, reach in there. You might want to get like a magnet or something to get it out. Alright, so let me take that out, and this should just spin. Try to spin it first. Spin it left and right and then pull up. Okay, so let's get this out of the way first and then take this out. So this is how you do it. Like I was telling you, twist it and pull up as you're twisting it. Yeah, it's gonna have some oil in here, so gotta look at that, make sure that there's no metal shavings. As you can see, that there might be a little bit of specks in there. There we go. Sometimes if you don't do an oil change, these can get clogged up, and if the oil is too thick, these can get clogged up and cause your vehicle to have problems too. All right, so let's slide the new part in. Here we added a little bit of engine oil to coat it, and we're gonna slide it in here. All right, just like that. Boom. Make sure that it lines up perfectly, make sure it clicks. Okay, there we go. Let's put that screw in and let's plug it in. Boom. Repeat that on the other side. Okay, there you go. So just tighten it down all the way and lock it down if you haven't done that yet. Ta-da! That's how you solve your P0011 and P0010. Replace intake and exhaust. Now keep in mind, if you do this and your problem is still persists, there must be a couple of things: problems in the wiring or problems in the camshaft. Okay, could be multiple things. So we would suggest you take it to a professional if doing this fix right here does not fix the problem all the way. But so far, this is what's done it for us. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a good day, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for us.